I'm Beth Simmons, and I teach international law and international relations in the Arts and Sciences School. I am a Penn Integrates Knowledge Professor, PIC professor. This is an effort to bring together what Penn considers to be some top faculty who are especially known for reaching across disciplines. And the appointments that I have are in the law school, arts and sciences, and the Wharton Business School.
My name is Sean Osewusu. I'm an assistant professor at the law school, and I work on issues tied to race, class, gender, the criminal justice system. It's been important for me to think about, how we're training students as it relates to kind of issues of the criminal justice system, but also how we're training students more generally, in part because that is the mission of the institution. Is we want to train smart lawyers, we want to train ethical lawyers, we want to train lawyers with different kinds of social justice commitments, to have some kind of social justice impulse. And so part of what I try to do in the classroom is force my students to confront persuasive perspectives across the ideological spectrum.
So some of my courses are interdisciplinary. That means that I would have maybe PhD students and law students in the same classroom. And that's the interesting thing there is that it forces people to move away from their very narrow set of assumptions and to make sure they use a language and a persuasive architecture that can kind of reach outside of their discipline. And so for me, I find that sparks really interesting conversations between students, and it informs my own research as well.
We have an excellent legal history faculty, arguably the best in the nation, being an intellectual company with people like Karen Tani, Serena Mayeri, Sophia Lee, all 20th century legal historians. Someone like Sally Gordon, who's very well respected in the field. So I think that's something that's exciting, that excited me about the law school.
Because of generous funding opportunities, we do have the opportunity to do what it is we really are very good at, and that is profound scholarship that informs important policy issues.